today is Tuesday, day after Labor Day. We all had a good weekend, but now we're back at it, and we're just finishing up the back portion of the roof today, which is a good thing because the wind is starting to blow and the skies are looking pretty cloudy, so we'll be glad to get this side done. What we're doing, putting the final touches on here with the ridge vent. And when we put down the plywood decking, we left a gap between the top of the decking and the ridge beam, so to allow air to flow up. And now we're capping it with a ridge vent, which is right here. This is the underside of the ridge vent, and it's made to bend to fit the pitch. You see here how this flange here extends out, and then when you bend it, it just goes into this gap here. And these little struts here are angled so that on shallow pitch roofs, when it's bent like this, that there's no chance of water penetrating in wind-driven rain here and going through the gap in the roof. And then these little posts, little plastic posts, they're there to prevent intrusion by insects, little critters. And so we put this on first, use 3-inch nails to secure this to go all the way through the shingles and the decking. Then we cap it with the regular ridge shingles, which we do on the non-ridged areas. And if you up here on the very end, there is no ridge vent because there's nothing to vent. That's the end of the wall and then the overhang. So there's no need to extend the ridge vent all the way out. So as soon as we do that, then we'll be able to clean up this side of the roof, and we'll have this portion wrapped up, and then we'll continue on the front, which there's a couple of fellas up there shingling the front now.
Oh, this is paradise. That one is a hell.
Well, end of another week, and I'm perched here on a big pile of siding, and there's one out front just like it. We had it delivered yesterday, so it's here for next week. The structure is essentially done. The house wrap is on, and we've got our inspections. The roof we're wrapping up today as we speak, so we'll be installing the siding next week. So this past week got the roof completed on the upper level. We've done some other detail work on the inside. We put sheathing up on the common wall between separating the heated space from the attic space. You're required by code to surface the attic side of that wall with something drywall, OSB board. So we did it with OSB board on this particular job. We've worked on footings, adding some required footings in the crawl space to take the additional load from the upstairs. And so we've just been kind of wrapping up, tightening up the job, taking care of a number of little things this week so that we can jump into our siding next week.